Hello everyone, this is Arkady from GT5 again. Today we're going to do a video on how we're going to try to fix up this gravel road with the help of a gasoline mini skid steer GT5 SST M3 and a 3-ton drum roller GT5 DR35. Stay tuned, we'll show you what we're going to do and how it's going to look in the end. Here's just a small close-up of the road. It's a fairly old road, very compacted, and it has some potholes, which before was filled up with some gravel. But just filling the potholes is not going to fix it. So today we decided to actually take the time, dig it up, and then repack it. We're not going to add any additional gravel. First, we'll try to just use whatever material we have here already, and then see if we'll need to add more gravel in the end later on. Before starting the work, you always want to make sure that you grease all the grease points on your machines. On the GT5 SST M3, we have 14 grease points. We already pre-greased them, but we'll show you where they're located. And then if you already have a machine, hopefully it's going to help you and make sure you're not going to miss. To have the boom all the way down and then control the amount of angle that you're going to dig into the road just by tilting the bucket. Bucket down. These work great. We're able to loosen up the road. So we'll just continue doing it, and we'll show you in the end how it's going to look once we'll finish up loosening the gravel and preparing it for compaction with our GT5 DR35 drum roller. All right, we've been going at it for about an hour. This is what we were able to get done so far. Here it's all loose. We'll level it afterwards and get it ready for compaction. All right, so we were able to loosen the gravel enough in order for us to start leveling. As you see, it's all loose. You can level it with the skid steer itself, but we decided to save some time, and we'll show you a life hack with an old farm gate that we can hook up to the back of the skid steer. All right, so to help us finish off the grade and make sure the rocks are even before compaction, we're chained up some old farm gates behind it, and we'll just drag it back and forth, and it will help us to get the better finish. All right, we prepped our GT5 DR35 3-ton drum roller. We greased all the grease points and filled it up with water. So right now we're gonna start compacting this road. All right, to start the drum roller, we're gonna pull the choke out, hold the ignition key for about 5 seconds, and then pull the choke in, and that's when the roller should start. We'll turn on our water, our vibration, and let's get going. This is day 2. We did a couple more passes with our GT5 TR35 3-ton drum roller over this road to finish all the compaction. To see the results, we will post a link in the description, which will lead to our website, gt5.com. There you also have a chance to check out our excavators, skid steers, wheel loaders, drum rollers, and attachments. If you're going to have any questions, feel free to give us a call or call one of our dealers. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out the link in the description.